How are you? New day, new video. Today, I am the chef and I'll be making a new and unique dish that I saw a lot of time on the internet, and since I was out, I saw it and I bought it. And today, I'll be sharing this unique recipe with you. I've heard it's very good, but I've heard if you put lime on it, it would taste better and make the outer layer more crunchy. So in today's video, we'll be trying a unique, new and creative recipe, and let's start. So today we have tacos. It's a Mexican dish and it's very popular. I don't know how it looks on the inside, but this is how it's supposed to be. So let's open it. I'm opening it. So now let's open this. It's very hard to open. Okay, there. Okay, there's only the shell. I thought it would come with the other stuff as well. So this is a taco. So you're fully ready here, but I was hoping it would come with the other stuff as well. It looks very crunchy, similar to chips. Okay, there. I finally opened it. And then there's some of it. So this is a taco, and I think this is supposed to be the taco holder. It looks very similar to chips. In my Asian language, we call it usually big chip. So this is what it looks like. So I'm thinking about the filling. I'm gonna add a lot of sauces and then some nuggets, because it's all empty, and I think some seasonings are like black pepper or something. So that's why. So here I am frying my first. This is my first seasoning. I'm gonna add 2 seasonings. So I'm a chef. Definitely I'm a chef. So I'm frying the nuggets. They're almost done and they're almost ready to come. It's time to take the nuggets out. So now it's time to assemble the taco. There's gonna be 2 types of tacos. One from my own dish and one from Nuggies. For the first taco, I'll be adding 2 nuggets. Then I'm also gonna add some lettuce to bring more crunch. And then I have some sauces. First, we put the BBQ. Done. So for the second one, I'm going to be adding my homemade chicken keema, which I just made for my taco. So now I'm just going to get 2 whole spoons of it. Then I'm going to add some salad, lettuce. And then I'm going to add this sauce, mayonnaise. So I added my mayonnaise. I just evened it, and this is the second taco. So my tacos are done, as you see, and they look delicious. And here's the final result, and you guys must try this recipe with other ingredients as well. So let's try it. It's really hot. Really crispy, really yummy. So I'm enjoying my taco. Till then, bye guys.